लोकमताचो संपादक राजू नायकान बरयल्ले खंदक ह्या मराठी पुस्तकाचें शेनवारा प्रकाशन जालें. ह्या वेळार प्रुडंटाचो संपादक प्रमोद आचार्य आनी पर्यावरणवादी क्लॉड आल्वारिश, रमेश गांवस आनी हेर मानेस्त आशिल्ले. गोंयांतले खणीक लागून निसर्गाचें जें लुकसाण जालां ताचेर हें पुस्तक. हे सगळे लेख हे पयलीं लोकमतांत आयल्यात.
आमी पर्यावरण हो विशय सामको लावून धरला. तुम्ही जर पळय आमचे फाटले 4 वर्सांच्या आयतारच्या भितर पर्यावरण सामकें बरयल्लें आसा आनी लोक ते वाचतात. हांवें तर म्हाका दिसता फाटले 4 वर्सांत थोडेच वर्स दीस सोडले जाल्यार सतत पर्यावरणाचेर बरयता. तातूंत खाणीचेर प्रामुख्यान बरयलां. वाचता जाल्यार 100 पेपर वाचता. पूण लोकमत इज व्हेरी व्हेरी क्लोज टू एनवायरमेंट. इतलो जाला की म्हाका दिसता जगांतले अशे पूण थोडे पेपर आसतले तातूंत पर्यावरण इतको सिरियसली घेता आनी लोक वाचतात. लोक वाचतात म्हाका कळटा कारण आयतार सकाळीं 8 वरांचेर हांव खंय वाचता आनी ह्या फोना भितर त्या आयतारा किमान 4 ते 5 नवे वाचले आसतात. ते आमी सांगतात आवडले किंवा कितें तरी वाद घालतात किंवा चर्चा तरी करतात. पूण ताका लागून म्हाका अशें दिसता की हे सगळे जे लेख आसात ते पुस्तक रुपान येवचे.
पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी.
In Goa, this campaign is coordinated by Sangat, which is the state nodal agency of the National Trust, Disability Rights Association of Goa, Goa Can, and other NGOs working for the disabled in Goa. This campaign has been going on for the last 10 days, and we have visited 10. Mapsa today is the 10th place that we are visiting. The purpose of this campaign is to create awareness on what the disabled are capable of doing, what are their rights, what are the schemes for the disabled, and if they have any grievances to take it back to the state government and the central government.
This cluster have been, I think, organizing competitions. Probably in 16 events are there, and all those students who have been participating and reached probably the final, I think, final rounds we have now. One thing we all have to remember is, you all people, though today are Bal, will not remain Bal. Someday or other you all will become good citizens of this country, and the future lies on your shoulder.
The upper primary teachers from all over Bangladesh need to get 10 days of training in the year. So we are conducting a 3-day program, one of the part of this 10 days. The program is regarding CC, regarding their daily work that they are doing in the school. They may be having different subjects which they have problems in. So we are teaching them a new technique, that is by creative activities, by seeing the activities that they have to do in the class. The teachers have been given training in how they can spend the time in doing these activities and which are the types of activities which can be conducted for the children.
Today we have launched our store in Goa on the 18 June road. It's a very exclusive gold and diamond boutique that we have launched. We have an extensive collection of gold jewelry as well as exquisite diamond jewelry, very designer, very fashionable and with the latest trends.
किंगफिशर वॉयस ऑफ गोवाचे कोंकणी गायकाची फायनल शेनवारा रातीं जाली. कोंकणींतल्यान वॉयस ऑफ गोवा म्हूण एवोला मार्सेलो फायनल जिखलें. फामाद गायक लकी अलीन सुवाळ्याक उमेद हाडली. आयतारा रातीं SGPDAच्या ग्राउंडार इंग्लीश गायकाची फायनल. आयकयात कोंकणी वॉयस ऑफ गोवा.
La 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 ri ru la 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 ri ru la 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 Sodan cintali, vedeli muronre, Lisboa, Noro asa tuisur, awasare goa. Citlele citop pure zala puro rideva. Coși zateli, pălun te Lisboa.
कभी ऐसा लगता है दिल में एक राज है जिसे कहना चाहूं पर मैं कह पाऊंगा आँखों में दिख जाती है जो खामोशियों की कैसी जुबां
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबरांचें चित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.